black pepper garlic swordfish pilaf or black pepper garlic swordfish rice bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the fish recipes and one of the most unique of the swordfish recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the garlic recipes and one of the most unique of the rice recipes and one of the most different of the pilaf recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the black pepper recipes and one of the most different of the seafood recipes. We're going to make pepper garlic swordfish pilaf. Around 300 to 400 grams of swordfish cut into cubes. Put in the mixture of 15 grams of ginger, 15 grams of garlic, salt to taste, a spoon of fennel, and 1 spoon of black pepper ground together, and 1 red chili, all ground together, and mix nicely with the swordfish pieces. And let this mixture marinate for 1 hour. 3 to 4 sprigs of curry leaves, 10 to 15 shallots, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 20 cloves of garlic cut into pieces, 15 grams of ginger. Pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the garlic. Saute. Put in the shallot. Saute. Add a little salt. Saute. Put in the ginger, salt, caraway salt mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Put in the curry leaves. Salt. Machli salt. Put 1.5 cups of water into the mixture and let it boil. Cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix. Now let this mixture cook for 10 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the black pepper, garlic, sailfish pilaf is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black pepper garlic swordfish pilaf or black pepper garlic swordfish rice bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the fish recipes and one of the most unique of the swordfish recipes and one of the most delicious of the seafood recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the garlic recipes and one of the most delicious of the pepper recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the black pepper recipes, one of the most delicious of the rice recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.